Mine, yeah.
Something dropped. Something dropped.
Bolt. Do you remember Bernie the Bolt? Golden shot. Bernie the Bolt.
Left a bit, it was.
Right a bit. Down a bit. Fire! That was in the 70s. Bob Monkhouse.
Right. It's going like this. So
the one in the bottom. So this end's held.
Yeah.
We can then push the middle out.
Oh yeah.
Can't we?
Yeah.
Because I don't want these twisting. And...
No.
Goodness knows what music I'm going to put behind this.
So what were you thinking now is then go inside, unscrew it, push it up.
Well, if I just go in. Right.
Have you got a drill in there?
No, I don't want one yet. But I'm just thinking, if I do that, what's it like?
Oh, I see. Go on, go again.
A bit more?
Yeah. No, it's the top one to push him out.
Right. But is the bottom, do you think the bottom will be alright?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the bottom's square. Yeah, yeah, it goes in more at the top. So the top needs coming towards the outside.
So if you go in my...
So I've got the weight of it.
I'm going to push down on that. How is that now?
I don't want to let go because I push you.
You don't have to, I'm holding it with my shoulder.
That's much better. Much better, right, yeah. That's fantastic, mate.
Right, have you got it now?
I've got it.
Right.
Hello. No, you can't get out.
Aye.
Oh.
You mean to say that's the best place that you've been in for the last 24 years and I couldn't keep you in there?
No, you can't. that's gonna... So, I tell you what, smack it.
That's not going anywhere.
That second one's got to be fastened to the...
What you got to do there?
Yeah. Not there.
Got him trapped again. Yeah. What are we talking about? The wood? Or me?
Piece of wood.
All I want in this whole life, a little red house in a country wife, a picnic table out on the lawn, a couple of kids and a couple of dogs. Work all day to 5:30, a chain link fence and a gravel drive, the wind chime ringing on my front porch, a brand new carpet on every floor, and a rope swing tied around a limb of a tall oak tree. It don't sound like much, but it sure is heaven to me. Big bathtub in my bedroom, microwave, dishwasher too. Folks say hi when they pass on the street. I clean their socks every day of the week. Big soft chair for when I'm old, tackle box and a fishing pole. I don't care about the porch and the fame, I just don't wanna know my mailman's name at Christmas time. And my gingerbread cookie. It don't sound like much, but it sure is heaven to me. Every now and then we go on a vacation, big radio and a country station, hot dog
Stop
grill
there.
in the noonday sun.
Can you see this? It'll open it.
Boy, have a little some
Yeah.
Do we have any other? Have we got any other? Got any other cables? Where's the instructions?
So when you've got a set of instructions, it's best to follow them, as we all know as knitters. Now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, we haven't got any extension cables, and we haven't got enough flat cables. We should have 4 flat cables according to that, and we've only got 2. We have no extension cables, and whatever we did originally, it worked, yeah. But it ain't gonna work without extension cables and the panels outside the house. Ah!